next step I have will resonate with the swimmers here. It's called the backstroke step. All we're going to do is practice backstroke while we stand. So you're going to take your shoulders and move it backwards. So practice as though you're swimming backstroke right while you're standing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the step looks beautiful with music. When you have the music on, all you're going is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So practice your backstroke move to any Bollywood or Bhangra song and see how alive it comes in your dancing. If you want to learn more steps and more dancing to Bollywood music, join my classes on Amphy. This is Nidhi Mehta and I teach the Bollywood Dance Fitness on Amphy.com.